CAD programming allows us to build a measurement program from the CAD model using a virtual probe. Moving the mouse around drives the virtual probe, and mouse clicks on the surface take points. This makes programming much faster than on the machine. It also means programs can be created away from the CMM itself, saving any bottlenecks and ultimately making your process a lot more efficient. When you come to run your program on the CMM, there are a few simple things you need to do. The first one will be to open the program and go to Program Details. And if you have not used the same probe list from your CMM, you will need to use the probe mapper. It will likely already come up with a message asking you to map the probes, but if you want to do this automatically yourself, you can click Probe Mapper within the Program Details tab. And the idea is you'll have probes used in the program, which will have a generic name, and then available probes on the CMM that you wish to run the program. The idea is that you left click and then left click to map an arrow over from the probes used in the program to the available probes on the CMM. For example, if I wanted to switch to the 4, I could do that easily by just clicking on the 2x20 and then the 4x20 on the available probes list. Please be aware though that the software does not have any collision detection, so in this example you might already have guessed it, but if I do use a 4 instead of the 2, it will crash into the slot, and the software won't warn me about that before it does it. So just be very careful when using Probe Mapper. Make sure you map the correct angles over and star probe positions, etc., as these are the ones that commonly have the most problems with crashing and collision. The other thing we need to do is manually measure the references and then auto remeasure the reference features. So with these two ticked, when we press play, it will ask us to use the joystick to manually measure the reference features so that it can update